25 affiliate management hacks to make you a more efficient affiliate manager. I'm going to go through my favorite 3 in this video. Here we go. Hey, Dustin Howes here, talking affiliate management. Just released an article with 25 new software and tools that affiliate managers can use to be more efficient with their time. Broke the list down into 3 different categories: recruitment tools, organizational tools, and time-saving tools. Today I'm going to be going through my favorite one of each one of those. Favorite recruitment tool: similar sites. You got an awesome affiliate out there doing great volume for you? Well, let's go find others just like them. One click on this Chrome extension will give you a list of 20 to go find. You still got to go find that contact information, but I've got 24 other ideas on how you can do that. Favorite organizational tool: Buzzstream. I see a ton of affiliate managers using Excel sheets out there to manage all their relationships. Even worse, they might even not be using anything at all for customer relations management. Buzzstream is an outstanding option for that. They're able to build recruitment lists, scrape contact information from websites, and they can track all of your relationships. And it's a steal of a deal at $25. Favorite time-saving hack: Calendly. I can't tell you how many hours I've wasted in my life going back and forth on emails trying to lock down a scheduled call time. Calendly fixed all that. Just send them a link and it's going to share your available times on your calendar. It's pretty easy. It's free. You can pay $8 a month if you want some more functions, but I love this tool. It saves me so much time during the week. So those are some of my favorites. What are some of your hacks? Share with me in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want the latest updates on affiliate management and how you can improve your game. We'll see you out there. Cheers.